Welcome to part 2 of installing the Tetration software agent. This is where we're going to focus on installing the agent in a Windows environment. Just like the Linux installation, it's very simple. It's only a one-click installation and you don't have to configure any parameters. So we're going to jump straight into the Tetration cluster now. So after installing our Linux agent, we can come and download the necessary package for our Windows device. In fact, if I look here, I have a Windows virtual machine set up. Now, I know on my Windows virtual machine that it is running Windows Server 2012 R2. So let's go ahead and download the version necessary for installing the agent on Windows 2012 R2 standard. So we can come back to our software agent download screen, and we will search in our platform for Microsoft. And if we scroll through, we can find the package for 2012 R2 standard. Windows Server 2012 R2 standard. And in this case, I'm just going to install the deep visibility sensor, not the enforcement sensor. So let's go ahead and download that package. You can see now that I have a zip file. I'm going to extract this package. And inside here, I'm simply going to execute the install file. This install file will then include all of the necessary parameters to enable the Tetration software agent. The service will be started and configured to run automatically. And at this point, we now have the Tetration agent running on this server. Again, pretty simple, very little configuration, completely hitless, no need for having to restart the server. And if you see here, we now have the Tetration sensor service running using 0% CPU in this case. Thank you for watching part 2. I hope you found that useful to see how easy it is to install the Tetration agent on both Linux and Windows. We'll now continue in the next lesson to see how we can collect that data and view it inside the Tetration cluster.